Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to do homework number one, exercise number one. Okay, so I'm going to fire up my Visual Studio Express Edition for desktop first, and then uh, in that homework, it asks you to use the Carpenter's Solution folder. Okay, so I'm going to use the Open Project option, and I store the unzip data file, okay, over my iDrive, and then folder CIS 1613, and then the student data file, and I'm going to navigate into the folder, okay, VB 2012, and then one more time into chapter 01, okay, and then yeah, one more time the carpenter's solution folder. Okay, there you go. So this is the solution file. So I'm going to select the solution file because it has the file extension .sln, stands for solution. Okay, so let me open it up and just click OK. Okay, there you go. Okay, so the file is loaded, but then you might not be able to see the a form. Okay, so it says that, okay, if it's necessary, open the designer window. Okay, so to open it up, okay, all you need to do is click the form1.bb file. Okay, and then again, if it's necessary, okay, double click it again. Okay, there you go. So the form one, okay, in design view. Okay, so this is the design view. Okay, showed up already. Okay, yeah, and then if you couldn't open it up, so let me close it again. If you couldn't open the design view, you can try from the view. Okay, and then uh, try the let me see. Okay, try the solution explorer. Okay, then you can see the visual basic file. Okay, and then again double click it. Okay, then the phone file in design view showed up. Okay, okay, let's do the step one. Okay, step one, it says that, okay, change the forms, okay, file name to main form.vb. Okay, so from the solution, okay, again solution explorer, you can see the default file name is called form.bb. Okay, so just select that one, right click the mouse button from the pop-up menu, pick rename, and then change that one to main form.bb. Okay, so step one done. Okay, step one done. Step two, okay, change the forms, okay, name to FRM main. Okay, so this is the form. Okay, this is form. So select the form first, and then from the properties window, okay, this is the so-called properties window. If you couldn't see this one, okay, no big deal. Okay, select the form, right click the mouse button, okay, right click the mouse button, then pick properties. Okay, there you go. So the forms, so the properties window showed up, and then navigate, okay, up. Okay, navigate up. Okay, and then you can see all those property names, okay, are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, and then name is special. Okay, so it has the parentheses surrounding it. Okay, so just change the default name from form1 to FRM main. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then change its font, okay, property to Seagull UI. So again, okay, those are the properties. Okay, and then you can scroll it down, okay, to the property name font, and again there's a plus sign next to it to indicate that there are more properties under the font category. So just click the plus sign, and then the font family name, okay, default is Microsoft sans serif. Okay, just change it to okay, Seagull. If you couldn't find the Seagull UI, okay, again, those names are arranged in alphabetic order. So please just scroll it down. Okay, yeah, scroll it down. Okay, or you can roll your mouse button. It's really up to you. Okay, so there you go. Okay, and then okay, the font size okay, as of now is 7.8. Okay, so you can change it to 9. Okay, 9 point. Press enter key, and then the title bar should say CIA. So you can see this is from the title bar. As of now, it uses the default name, okay, form 1. Okay, so you just need to select the form again and look for a property called text. Okay, there you go. So text, and change that one to ICA. Okay, ICA. Okay, and then set the appropriate property. Okay, so again, once you set it, press enter key. Okay, make sure it will saved. It will be saved. And the form, next one is said that the form should be centered on the screen. Okay, when it first appears. Okay, so again, okay, okay, center the form. Okay, so we want to select the form, and then okay, from the property. Okay, property. Okay, give me a minute. Oh yeah, okay, this is a property start position. Okay, so just click the drop down list, okay, and then pick center screen. Okay, there you go. So we have done step number B already. Okay, step number C asks you to add a label. Okay, so you can drag a label, okay, from the command control, okay, under the toolbox, okay, window. Again, if you do not see the toolbox window, okay, no worries. Just go to view, okay, and then pick the toolbox. Okay, there you go. And then, okay, if toolbox okay, is okay, auto hidden, okay, then click the toolbox and then go to the push pin. Okay, click the push pin. Okay, so now the toolbox okay, will stay there. Okay, will stay there all the time. So I'm going to drag a label. There you go. So this is a label. Drag a label and then just drop it. Okay. And then it says that okay, the label should contain the text. Okay. International Carpenters Association. So again, make sure the label is selected, and then go to the properties window. Okay, and then go to the text field. Change the default value from label 1 to International Carpenters Association. Okay, and press the enter key. Okay, remember they also say don't put the codes. Okay, so don't put the codes. And next one, okay, you say that okay, display the labels text in italics. Okay, so again, okay, you can go to the font. Okay, go to the font, expand the font properties, and then check the property, okay, italic. Okay, false means that it is off. Okay, and then they also want you to turn it on. Okay, so just change to true. And then the family, okay, the font family, Seagull UI, okay, which is correct. But then the font size, okay, you want to change to 16. Okay, it is the 1x by the author. Okay, and then okay, you also say that the label should be located at 20 pixels okay, from top of the form. Okay, so again, okay, this is the okay, point of origin. Okay, so here is the point of origin. Okay, and then this is the x-axis. Okay, this is the y-axis. The further to the right, the larger the value of x. Okay, and then the further down, okay, the larger the value of y. So we want okay this point. Okay, which means that okay, this point okay, 20 points from the top. So it is the y-axis. Okay, so select the label and then look for a property called location. Okay, and then you can see by default, okay, y's value is 35, but we want to set it to 20. Okay, 20. So press the enter key. There you go. And the author wants you to center, okay, the label, okay, center the label. So you can select the label, okay, and then go to format, okay, and then pick center in form, okay, horizontally, okay, horizontally. There you go, putting it. Okay, so we have done, okay, step C already. Okay, so let's do step D. Step D is say that add a picture box, okay, control to the form. So again, drag and drop in, okay, drag and drop in, okay, a picture box, okay, and then uh, it should display the image stored in the ca.png file, okay, and again, okay, you can go to the image property, okay, image property of the image picture box, okay, so just click this, okay, ellipsis dot 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 button, okay, and then click the import, okay, and then navigate, okay, to the chapter 1, okay, folder, okay, and then look for the, okay, ica.png file. There you go, and then click, okay, open, okay, click open, and from here you can also see the preview as well, and then click OK, okay, okay. So you can see the image, okay, did not display because as of now, okay, the size mode, okay, is normal. So it means that, okay, it uses the normal size of the picture, okay, but then we want to see the picture, okay, so set the size mode to stretch image, okay, so go to size mode and then click the drop down list and pick stretch, okay, stretch image, okay, there you go, so it showed up, okay, and then now change the picture size, okay, to 290 and 110, okay, 290 will be the width, okay, so select the property, okay, size property name, width change from 100 to 290, and then the height, okay, change it to 110, okay, press enter key, there you go, and then you want you to center the picture box, okay, on the form both horizontally and vertically, okay, so select that one, okay, go to the format and then center the form horizontally and then do it again, center the form vertically. There you go. Now we have done step D already, okay, and then step E asks you to add a button, okay, so we're going to drag and drop a button and just put it over the low, okay, right hand corner, and then we're going to change the button's name to btn exit. So while the button is selected, okay, and then from the properties window, move it up, look for a property name, okay, name, and surrounded by the parentheses, change the default name from button1 to btn exit, okay, exit, and there you go, okay, and then it says that the button should display the text exit, okay, so again, okay, just scroll it down, okay, scroll it down and then go to the text property, okay, change it from button1 to exit, press enter key, there you go, so it changed from button1 to exit. Okay, so we have done, okay, step number E already. Okay, step number F, okay, it acts as to use the code editor, okay, window to enter the code, okay, me.close, okay, associated with the button exit, okay, so the easy way to do it is while the button is selected, okay, double click on it, okay, then you can see now you are in the Visual Basic, okay, code editor window, okay, and then just type me.close, okay, yeah, and then just press the tab key if you want to, okay, and then remember to add the parentheses, okay, so if you want to switch back to the design view, just click the enabling tab, there you go, okay, you want to switch back to the source code, okay, click the enabling tab again, okay, there you go, so that's it, okay, so we have done step F, okay, let's do step G. Step G, it asks you to display the project design view. So there you go, design view. And then verify that the name of the startup form is form main. So while we are in design view, then make sure that the solution explorer is ready and select the my project. So double click on it, and then there you go. The startup form option is main, a form main, which is correct. And then it asks you to change the assembly name to ICA. So this is the assembly name. By default, you will use the project name, but then we can change to ICA. There we go. And then you say close to close the project design window. So you can see there's an asterisk over there. It means that everything we have changed, hadn't been saved yet. So the best way to do it is click this button here, save all. There you go. Once you save all the asterisk will be gone. And then just close this one. And then now we have completed step G already. Let's do step H. So it says save the solution and start the application. We have saved already. Let's start the application. We can go to debug, start without debugging. Boom, this is our form. And then we want to make sure that when the exit button is clicked, then the form will be closed. So let's just click. There you go. It's good. So we have done step H. Step I, you mentioned that use the run dialog box to run the project's executable file, which is contained in the project. Actually, we have done it. We have done it. So you can go again. Debug and then start this one. Start this one. Yeah. Or next one is really up to you. It's really up to you. Yeah. So that's it. So that will be all for this project. And as for how to zip the file, please watch my another video. Thank you.